Hello, my dear friend, and welcome back to my English countryside. Today, the rain has arrived. A gentle summer rain, soft and steady, falling across the fields and old pathways. There is something so incredibly comforting about summer rain, so calming, so deeply needed. When we pause and truly listen to it, something within us begins to soften. Our thoughts grow quieter. Our hearts seem to slow down. It feels as though the world, for just a little while, has stopped rushing and taken a deep breath. In places like these, places filled with history and stories, it is easy to imagine the lives that came before us. The generations who lived much closer to the rhythm of the seasons, whose days were shaped by nature itself. The rain, the sun, the changing winds, the harvests. These things guided everyday life. And perhaps that is why being here reminds us of something we often forget: how much beauty can be found in the simplest moments. Sometimes happiness is not found in extraordinary things. Sometimes it is simply the sound of rain on a roof, the sight of wildflowers swaying in the breeze, or a quiet moment spent noticing the world around us. June carries its own special magic. The air is filled with the fragrance of roses and lavender, a scent I look forward to every year. To me, it is the scent of summer itself, a gentle reminder that nature is constantly changing, blooming, and offering us small gifts if we take the time to notice them. I think it is so important to have a place that allows us to rest, a place where we can slow down and simply be. And that place does not have to be grand or far away. It might be a small patch of greenery near your home, a favorite bench in a quiet corner of your town, a garden, a walking path, a place where birds gather in the early morning, a place where you can sit for a few moments and watch the clouds drift by. These simple moments often become the ones we remember most. Before I leave you today, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for spending this little moment with me. Thank you for every kind word you leave, for every message, and for every bit of encouragement you share. And a very warm welcome to those of you who have recently found your way here. It means so much to know that our paths have crossed. And to those who return each week, thank you for coming back again and again, and for sharing these quiet moments with me. Your presence here means more than I could ever fully express. If this video helped you pause, even for a moment, if it helped you take a breath, slow down, or find a little peace in your day, I would be so grateful if you subscribed and left a few words in the comments. It truly means the world to me, and it helps this little corner continue to grow. Until next time, I wish you the most beautiful June days. May you feel the warmth of gentle summer rain upon your skin. May the scent of roses and lavender find its way to you. May you notice the golden sunlight resting on your face. And may you always find small reasons to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to appreciate the quiet beauty that surrounds you every day. Take care, and I will see you again very soon.